This far in July, the mid and small caps have outperformed their larger peers amid volatility. The S&P BSE Mid Cap Index has gained around 5% thus far in the current month, while the S&P BSE Small Cap Index has surged around 4.5%. In comparison, the S&P BSE Sensex has moved up just 2% during this period. The overall surge in markets, analysts said, is mostly on account of a fall in commodity prices, especially crude oil, offering some respite to the adverse macros. Global bond yields too have moderated by 20 to 50 basis points from the recent highs, and earnings estimates for the Nifty haven't seen any worthwhile cuts. All this is supporting the market sentiment for now, said analysts at Motilal Oswal Securities. Valuations for the Nifty have moderated to 18.7 times FY23 EPS, in line with its long period averages. The glass appears half full to us, delicately balancing the headwinds with some silver linings. The dominant factor influencing markets, according to VK Vijay Kumar, Chief Investment Strategist at Geojit Financial Services, is the sustained rise in the dollar that had gained momentum during the last 1 month. Dollar has appreciated 5% since early June and 13% so far in 2022. If this trend sustains, it is bad news for EMs. But for now, it appears that this flight to dollar safety is a bit overdone and due for some correction. G. Chokalingam, founder and chief investment officer at Economics Research, expects this choppy phase for the markets to continue for the next 2 to 3 months.
First of all, why they have done well was due to two reasons. One, the inflow of retail investors, new investors, continued throughout July. Surprisingly, despite the market meltdown, on a weekly basis, every week 4 lakh investors have come in, approximately around 16 lakh investors, and their preferred choice is always small cap. The second reason, as we all know, most small cap stocks have corrected anywhere from 30 to 50%. So that has become an attractive point for these new investors, and also for the existing investors who got trapped to average it down. So these are the two reasons for outperformance in July. Now coming to the question whether it would continue going ahead, possible, may not be possible, but don't want to confuse. The clear view is that another 2-3 months it is going to be a little difficult for the whole market, because Fed balance sheet reduction already started at a rate of 47.5 billion per month, and in September it is going to be 95 billion per month, which means rupee will continue to fall, which means FAI may continue to take out, or at least they will not bring the money back quickly. Possibility of taking out is more. So the whole market will be little volatile with downside possibility. So that could give nervousness to the retail investors. So therefore, one should play cautiously. Instead of tilting towards a small cap or tilting towards large cap, one can play a balanced, allocation between large and small cap, at least for next 2-3 months.
So, what should your shopping list in this segment look like? While analysts at Motilal Oswal Securities remain bullish on these 8 stocks from the mid and small cap universe that include Jubilant FoodWorks, Macrotech Developers, Lemon Tree, and Ashok Leyland, here are some suggestions from Edelweiss Securities, Whirlpool PVR, Blue Dart, Varun Beverages, PI Industries, Trent. On Wednesday, the sentiment will be impacted by inflation numbers released post-market hours on Tuesday. Stock-specific action will continue as companies announce their Q1 FY23 numbers.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है, investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.